RACO, producing quality electrical boxes and covers for over 100 years, offers a full line of mud rings. Our innovative hinged adjustable mud rings are designed for both 4-inch and 4 11/16 square boxes. Hinged adjustable mud rings speed up installation time while also providing flexibility for whenever finished wall depths are unknown or may change. There are 1 or 2 device models for 4-inch square and 4 11/16 square boxes that are 2 1/8 inch deep. The design improves contractor productivity at the job site, whether the product has some assembly done in advance or a complete prefabricated solution. Let's run through an installation so you can see some of the handy time-saving features. This assembly starts with a RACO 232S box with pre-installed grounding pigtail and built-in stabit connectors. The box location falls between the studs, so we're using the RACO adjustable open center bracket, which eliminates the need for far side support while accommodating up to 24-inch stud spacing for speed and flexibility at the job site. Now we attach the L-shaped frame part of the hinged adjustable mud ring, which is designed to install to any standard square box without removing the box screws. Same goes for the 4 11/16 box mud rings, except the frame is C-shaped to accommodate the additional screw locations at any box orientation. At this point, we'll fully tighten just the screw on the hinge side. Many of these assembly steps may go in a slightly different order, but for our situation, we'll install the device next. And then insert the specified length of MC and make the preliminary wiring terminations. Now, we finish the assembly by attaching a RACO raised protector plate, which protects the wiring, device, and box from the router bit, drywall mud, debris, and paint. If this was coming from a prefab shop, it would arrive at the job site labeled with instructions identifying the install location and other pertinent details. At the job site, we can start efficiently installing the various assemblies. Here, we're daisy chaining a series of outlets on this circuit, which really shows the benefit of the hinged mud rings. We simply open the mud ring, insert the MC whip from the adjacent assembly into the stabit connector, and make the necessary terminations. Then shut the mud ring. Close the latch and tighten the screw. With conventional mud rings, the box becomes unattached from the bracket if the mud ring is ever removed to expose the entire box opening. But hinged adjustable mud rings stay connected to the bracket when opened. And everything is conveniently accessible from the front of the box, not from behind like some systems. It prevents the hassle of going back and forth or dealing with the obstruction of a solid wall. Since we're pointing out efficiency, we should highlight the labor savings from the adjustable feature too. It adjusts from 1/2 to 1 3/8 inches, adding flexibility when finished wall depths change or are unknown. The adjustment screws are inside the ring, remaining accessible with a device installed, drywall hung, and any finished wall treatments. Easily achieve a flush finish while also reducing installation time. So, on your next project, ask for RACO hinged adjustable mud rings, great for prefab applications and more. Always look to Hubbell RACO for your electrical needs.